He's got the whole world in his hands. Hello, Facebook friends. It's Kathy Jamison, Senior Pastor at Grace United Methodist Church on Georgia Ave in North Augusta. This coming Sunday is the celebration of World Communion. Christians all around the globe will be participating in the Lord's Supper. Sometimes we do it differently. It'll be in different languages, in different methods, but we will all be celebrating the meaning of the Lord's Supper as we celebrate together our unity in Christ. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter what language you speak. It doesn't matter what tradition you come from. You're welcome at God's table of grace. We hope you'll come this Sunday. We have an 8:30 traditional in-person only, 8:45 contemporary with a lovely, lively band, and an 11 o'clock traditional service with an amazing choir. And we just know that if you come, you will find friendly people alongside you as you participate in World Communion. Our 8:45 and 11 o'clock are also live streamed right here on Facebook. Please join us at the table of God's grace.